Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost timer in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle-nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new defrost timer. The defrost timer is located at the top of the fresh food compartment inside the control cover panel. The defrost timer is an electromagnetic device that times and switches around the refrigerating and the defrost cycles. Use of the defrost timer helps keep the evaporator coils free of ice buildup. The defrost timer may fail in two ways. It may get stuck in the freezing cycle, causing ice blockage of the evaporator and the temperature to increase in both compartments. Or it may get stuck in the defrost cycle, leaving the fridge in a total meltdown. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. All right, now next I'm going to slide out the snack pan. You may need to pull hard to take it out. Next I'm going to remove this shelf. I'm going to lift up the front and free these rear hooks. To get to the part, we need to remove this cover, which is held in place by 3 4-inch screws. One screw is right here in that opening, and 2 at the back in these openings. I'm going to use the 4-inch nut driver, and we're going to take them one by one out. And I'm going to slowly drop it down. And I'm going to disconnect this plug by pressing down on this tab and pulling it apart. Alright, so I'm going to place this control panel assembly onto the table. And now we're going to remove this metal cover. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to try to pry out this locking pin here. It's not going any further without damaging this panel. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to use the needle nose pliers and we're going to pull it out. Just like that. We're going to remove this ground wire first. And take this panel out. This is our defrost timer we're going to replace. Alright, so to take it out, we need to slightly bend open this 2 clips. I'm gonna try to get away with just bending this one out. Be careful, don't break it off. Don't get too excited. Alright. Now we're going to slide it out. Alright, so now I'm going to take this plug off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver. There you go. This is the old defrost timer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our new defrost timer. And we're going to plug it in. You can't put it the wrong way because that's space here. Okay, now we're going to install it and slide it under this clip. Then I'm going to bend this open slightly and make sure that the wire's out of the way and press it down. I'm going to install this metal cover, but first I'm going to attach the ground wire, slide it on, and then we're going to put it on. This is our opening where we're going to push in this retainer clip. It's ready to go back, so I'm going to lift it off and install it back into the fridge. Alright, so now we're going to plug this in. Make sure it's locked. And I'm going to secure it with the 3 screws, 1/4-inch screws. Alright, so I'm going to place this back. You see that the styrofoam duct, we're going to place it into the cutout and bring it up. And I'm going to install this screw in front. That's a 1/4-inch. I'm not going to tighten it yet. And we're going to install the rear screws. And I'm going to tighten the front one. I'm not going to install the shelf. We're going to place it in and install the hooks at the back and put it down. And now I'm going to install the snack pan on the rails. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.